Still cool.
Hi, Molly's camera that I stole again.
I shouldn't put it down.
My socks got wet, and they're the best. So now I stole Molly's slipper thingies. They're monkeys, and this is Io's cow, my friend. His name is Io, and he's from Nigeria. Oops! Oh, darn it!
God damn it, Audrey!
Don't let her touch the cow.
Let it
Cow.
let Meaty go.
Let her touch
There we go.
Bye.
Bye, cow. Bye, cow.
What's the cow's name? I want to know the cow's name.
Io's cow.
Meaty?
I'm about to call it Meaty or
Sacred
Beefy.
Cow.
Yeah, everyone's.
Let's not let Odds touch the cow.
Yeah, that's a good name for it too. Let's not let odds touch
the cow.
Let's not let odds touch the cow. The
Okay,
cow.
can you put the flip in here, here. Can you put this in there when you're done?
Ooh, it's like a.
No, it's not like a condom.
I wasn't gonna.
It is. It's a healthy condom.
Look at all of these saltwater taffies. They're so yummy.
It was eating one.
How would you know, Audrey?
She ate one.
Audrey!
I did eat one!
You did!
A long time ago!
Audrey!
Can't let her in this room.
Audrey!
I think Odds
Mirror.
be allowed in here when she
Mirror.
won't touch any of your stuff.
I was looking for the red string.
In there, it's not in there. There's candy in there.
Crazy. Just saying.